So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to save money by rounding up purchases on KOHO Financial. So really neat feature. So once you guys have the app opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom right to where it says Explore. Once you're on the Explore page right here, under Save, there's 4 different options. There's Earn Interest, Goals, Roundups, and Vault. Go ahead and select Roundups. So once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and actually turn on roundups or turn off roundups. So in this case, you can round up to the nearest dollar. So basically, if you start making purchases, let's just say you buy something for like $5.64. Well, it's going to round up 36 cents to the nearest dollar and actually save that. So when you go under roundups right here, it's going to show you the entire accumulation right here because you're rounding up to the nearest dollar. Also, too, when you're saving this money, you're going to earn whatever interest rate you have. So once again, to access roundups here, go ahead, press on roundups right here. You can go to the top right, press on the gear icon if you want. Then where it says roundups right here, you can round up on every purchase. You can turn it on or you can turn it off. And it's also going to round up to the nearest dollar, $2, $5, $10, whatever you select. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to save money by rounding up purchases on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.